Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a gap tooth grill that we just had done for a customer. This goes in between the teeth there in the gap area. The back side. Snaps right on. Now this one here is 10K gold, guys. Real solid. 10K. Okay. And here's the front side again. Now you can choose which gap you want it to go on, the position of the gap. Okay, this one's a little off to the side, but you can do it right in the middle if you want, which is a popular option. That's up to you. Or you could do several gap grills. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get custom fitted work, and this is actually made from an impression of the customer's teeth, so it's a perfect fit, and it snaps right on there. It stays on real nice and tight. All right guys, there it is. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.